What will you receive with each current AFARCO Mini PnP version 3.1 packet? First, you will have a machine frame with 2 Y-axes already assembled. This part will not be disassembled when packed. You can see it in the video like this. Next, there is a firmly installed X-axis. Next is the Z-hat assembly. This Z-hat assembly will include 2 nozzles, a camera, motors, and an intermediary connection circuit board. A transit-position IF feeder base set. And this is the main electrical box of the machine. It will include the complete control board, pump, and internal power supply system within the enclosure. All connecting cables come with pre-crimped connectors, making connections simpler and easier. Finally, loose accessories such as a set of 6 basic nozzles, a demo PCB, machine feed, a USB cable, a USB to RF485 converter sources, a USB extension cable, various screw sizes, and a power cord.